In this picture, you see a beautiful continuous background photo with my subject in the picture 3 times, all in different poses. In this video, I'm going to show you a fun and easy trick you can use to put your subject in the picture multiple times without the need for difficult cut and paste Photoshop techniques. Take a look at this picture. Again, my subject is in the photo twice, and as I pan across the photo, you can see her on one side and then reappear on the other side almost like magic. Here's another photo where my subject is leaning in on both sides of the picture, as if to clasp hands across a large rocky crevasse, seemingly in 2 places at once. So how is this done without Photoshop? All you need is a camera with panorama capabilities. In this example, I'm using my iPhone XS. Watch as I begin scanning the horizon. My subject is on the left side of the photo as I start making my panoramic scan. Notice I move the camera rather slow, which gives her the time she needs, once she's no longer in the scene, to run around behind my back and jump back into the scene once again. Here's that video once again. Notice as I move past my subject, she runs around behind me and jumps back into the upcoming scan. And here's the picture I took during this demonstration. Now let's see how many times you were able to get your subject in the same photo. I was able to get her in one photo 3 times. See what you can accomplish with the same technique, then let your imagination run wild. Maybe consider multiple subjects running around to jump back in the picture at different points across the scan. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to share it with a friend so that they too can make photos like this. And then make sure to hit a thumbs up on this video and subscribe so that you can receive more tips and tricks just like this one.